The journey we've been on within our company we call the Green Gateway Initiative. It's our way of looking at ourselves, our own actions, but also our place in the market and how we interact with others in the market. So we're a provider of solutions that cool, heat, recover energy in buildings and control them very efficiently. So it's very important for us that we are working very closely and in tight collaboration with our partners. And those partners are builders as well as the contractors. We hold a place that bridges between those two and the mechanical engineers. So on our journey with Green Gateway, we realised 6 or 7 years ago now that we have an important part to play in creating efficient solutions in the built environment. And if we didn't maintain an awareness of just how important that is and that we need to maintain that discussion with others, that probably we would be left behind. So the lessons we've learned from it is very much that we have to be part of the discussion across the entire food chain of a building's life. I think a good example of collaboration and of development together for a common solution would be a recent project that we did at Kingston upon Thames, and that recovers heat, naturally occurring heat from the River Thames. So that's a very valuable heat source that's just flowing past this multi-use building, which is social housing, private housing, a hotel and retail. So we gather heat via a heat pump from the river and we distribute that heat around the building, and we also recover heat in the building and move it around. Now that system could have only been developed if the developer and the contractors on that site were willing to work with us and us in turn back with them to develop this, what is a fairly unique solution for them, albeit using standard components, but we have applied them in a fairly unique way. And that quite rightly has gathered a huge amount of interest. It's won many industry awards now, and I think that has been because it is an example of true collaboration, seeing an issue, rising to that issue and supplying a solution which is the perfect solution.